Alright guys, this video is going to be a little different from the ones that I have done before. Now this is exclusively about a particular tool that I'm going to talk about. Now making a video is not such an easy process, all of us understand that. Generating video content for your marketing efforts has always been a pain. You may be the biggest of the cinematographers, you may be the biggest of the guys as far as video marketing is concerned, but it's just a painful process, let's face it. YouTube needs a 16:9 aspect ratio video, while IGTV or Instagram needs a 9:16, which is a vertical video. So basically what I'm talking about is the differentiation between a horizontal video like the ones that you see on YouTube versus vertical videos that you see on IGTV or Instagram. Now I need to make this video like you see right now, and if I have to upload this on Instagram, I just have to use a editing tool and just crop off these edges and make it a vertical video in the 9:16 ratio. Trust me, I would have lost about 30-40 videos just because I was too lazy to edit them in a format that Instagram prescribes. Guess what? It's the end of that nonsense, and now you have a new tool which is amazingly useful if you really want to have a vertical video, and if you tilt your mobile phone or the screen or a tablet that you're watching, it automatically expands to the horizontal view. Now there's an amazing tool that's come out of beta today, and I really want to introduce you to that tool. And the name of the tool, ladies and gentlemen, is Firework, where you can just have a video. You can either shoot a video on your phone, or you can shoot a video on your camera like this and have it sent to your phone. And using this app, which is made by Reveal, by a brand name called Reveal, and the name of the app is called as Firework, and it's fire. It's amazing. Let me show you what I mean. Now, the moment you go to the app, now if this is the app that you see, right? Alright, now this is a video that is playing. Alright, so this is a video that's playing on this app, which is Firework. And this is all I mean. This is a vertical video because I'm holding the phone vertically. Now guess what happens if I turn this horizontally? Right? Now do you understand what is going on here? Right? Now your viewability is not getting distracted. You don't have to tilt your screen, and you don't have to readjust yourself or refocus yourself to get a hang of the video. Now the same video which is being shot is being viewed horizontally and vertically, which means no more editing separately and specifically for platforms like IGTV. It's end of that era now, and you can just start using this app and start recording or uploading your videos. And you can also share them on platforms like Instagram. Now shoot one video, upload it onto the app. Now you can view it vertically and horizontally. Now I strongly encourage you to download this app. It's available on Android and iOS as well. And I really recommend you to start playing with this app. It has got some cool filters. It's got some cool features where you can add different effects to the video. You can have a wavy, you can have an illusion kind of thing, and you can have like a thumbnail thing or a layout kind of thing that's going on. It's just amazing. Believe me when I say that. I really encourage you to download this app called Firework. Start either uploading a video that you already have, or you can start recording a new video using this, and it's just amazing. I strongly recommend everybody to try it. Thank you so much, and I really felt that this was very useful, especially for small medium businesses, social media practitioners who struggle with this video editing back and forth. 2 copies of each video, one horizontal, one vertical, end of that story. Download this app, start working wonders with your video marketing, and you will really see the difference, and you will thank me for this. Thank you so much guys, this is Casey signing off. Until then, as always, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you again with another version.